Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, when you create a website or any blog post, you need to do the keyword research for your new blog post or website. So, in this video, I am going to tell you the three tools that will help you to do the keyword research and how you can do the keyword research from start to end. So, watch this video till the end because in the end of this video, I will share you the secret tip that will tell you and helpful for you for creating new blog post. So picking up the right keywords will help you to get more traffic and more money. So let's jump into my desktop screen so you'll know how to do the keyword research.
Check the photography keywords in keywordtool.io. I'm using this photography keyword as a focus keywords and search it in select here Google. So yeah, search it here, select the country. I'm selecting India. Let's see. Okay, I'm using the free version of this keywordtool.io, so you can use it too, and you can use up to certain days the keyword tool pro also. So here you can get the different keyword ideas and search volume, trend, CPC, and competition. Right now I'm using the free version, that's why these numbers are blocked. But you can use the photography logo because this high volume keywords, photography quotes, photography poses, photography courses, or photography hashtags and photography background, or photography jobs in Mumbai, or you can create an article on this also. You can use this question to create a new blog post also. How many people are searching for the questions related to photography? That is, are photography courses worth it? Or you can use this question as a topic for your new blog post and write a new blog post too. So you can use this keyword tool for YouTube also, Bing also. So you get the different ideas according to the different search engines. You can check it there. So here is for the Bing keyword ideas, that is photography kit, photography app. These keyword ideas people searching for different search engines. So you can use these keywords too. Talking about that is Uber Suggest. The tool is invented by the Neil Patel. So here we can type the keywords photography and search for India volume. So let's check. This is a free version of 7 days, but you can use the paid version after that. So for 7 days you can use. So here I'm using the free version of Open Suggest right now. So how much search volume for photography keyword in Google? That is 2,46,000. That is high volume, and SEO difficulty score is 68. That is medium, and the paid difficulty is doesn't talk about the paid difficulty here. So SEO difficulty is 68. So that is high, and the cost per click is 9.11. And how much search volume? That is too high from June historic data. As we check. You can see the this historical keyword data after upgrade. So how many people are searching for that keywords? That is 63,497 people click on the SEO result which they search in the Google. So what are the keyword ideas? So we have to click the keyword ideas and see how much keyword ideas we get to create a new blog post or create a new website for photography services. So here is the 568 keyword ideas, that is photography codes, and you can export these ideas into CSV, or you just copy that keywords into and paste into notepad. So these are the keywords you can check here. So you can check in the photography codes, and the difficulty scores you can check, that is easy difficulty scores. uh, these scores are up to 100. The more your SEO's difficulty score, then it's difficult to rank, and the more less your SEO difficulty score, then it's easy to rank for that keywords. So use the keywords that has less SEO difficulty. So here is the green: photography logo, photography code, photography nature, photography background. Use these keywords to create a new blog post, so you can rank easily in Google. So you can check that. You can also export these files and use these keywords to make a title, description. So let's search in photography keywords in Google. So you can use the relevant keywords also, um, that is available in the bottom of your page. That is photography meaning, photography codes, photography day, photography photos, websites, types of photography. Use these keywords also to search the different keyword ideas. So and create a blog post on that. If you can also check the websites which is ranked for that keywords. So we just click on that websites. That is, first is the photography Wikipedia, and the second is photography life. So I have just click on it and open it for you. So introduction to photography and universal language. So how many times they are using that keyword, you have to check it like this. You can check 106 times they're using these keywords in their blog post or websites. And the table of content is what is photography, brief history of photography, and the people who made it succeed. So you can write the full guide on photography like this. Or how you can create the blog post like this by using Backlinko strategy. You can check my previous videos. We are using the tool, the keyword Google Keyword Planner, which is most popular tool for the keyword research. So I'm using the keywords which is we have seen the previously. So I'm just copy paste it. I already copied it. Photography course, types, services, and the courses. And let's get started with the get the search volume and forecast. So you can see the data of previous 12 months. So how many people are searching for that keywords and what is the keyword difficulty for that keywords. So here we go. You can check the forecast. So how many clicks we get for that keywords, that is 19k, and impression is 100k, and the cost of daily budget is 10k. Daily budget is 10k and cost is 140k. The CTR is 18.9. So you can check it. And the maximum CP, this is regarding the paid ads. So the photography keywords cost around one click is 46 rupees. And how many impressions you get? The 17,460 impression and 15,000 click, around 15,000 clicks you can get. And the CTR is very high, and average CPC is 1.38. So max CPC is 46 and the average CPC is, it is related to paid ads. So we are not going to that deep. So you can just check the historical matrix, that is how the competition of that keywords is. So here we can see there is a low competitions in photography. I'm strange by seeing this. And the top of the page bid, that is low range, is 2.87, and the top of the page bid which is high range is 57. Max to max you can bid to 57, or minimum you can set the low range as a 2.87. So photography courses, that is low competitions, medium competition, sorry, photography course, that is low competition. So use that keywords which has low competitions and high impressions, that is high volume. So that's it for this keywords search. You can also select the new keywords if you have to plan. So you can get the different keyword ideas too from this. You just have to click here and you can write it down. But you need to put your website name. So for a while I will put a dummy name for your website. Don't do that because I just want to show you. That's why I'm doing it. You can check with your website address. So here to show you, I'm doing that. So you can get different ideas, keyword ideas like portrait photography, or you can just move it here so you will see that clearly. So portrait photography, wedding photography, photographers, newborn photography, family photo, engagement photo. So you can check the competitions here and check the bid. So you can use these keywords in your paid ad also or in your SEO too. So you can use this group ideas, so you get different ideas related to that keywords, and you can use that keywords to create a new blog post. So that's it. And one small tip for you, so for any tool you are using, but just remember that which keywords has a low competitions, that is less SEO difficulty scores and high volume. You can use that keywords to create a new blog post and create a new website and focus on that keywords and use the relevant keywords in your blog post in title or meta description. If you want to know how you can create the new blog post using Backlinko strategy, you can check out my previous videos so you will know how you can create the new blog post and rank easily in Google. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have a small message in the end.
I hope guys you enjoy this video, and do let me know if you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and connect with me on all social media channel. Link is given in the description below. I am more active on Instagram, so DM me if you have any doubts related to that video. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.